Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall inspired makeup look for brown eyes. I've got my makeup laid out here and this Morphe eyeshadow palette. It's called, I think, Copper Bronze palette. It says 25A in the back. I can't quite remember the name of it. But when I look at this kind of just reminds me of fall. So I'm going to be using that with some other eyeshadow palettes and create a sort of a bronzy, smoky makeup look. Yeah, so if you want to see how this look turns out, then keep on watching. Okay, I think I'm going to do my base first. I'm going to use the Ordinary Serum Foundation, and this is in the color 2.1P. This is a really nice light foundation, but it is medium to, it's about a medium coverage, but you can build it up. So this foundation, it's nice and glowy, perfect for normal to dry skin. I think I'm going to start off with the Morphe palette. The first shade that I'm going to go in with, take this color right here. It's the middle shade. And I'm just taking that just on the outer corner and blending it right into the socket. Next shade I'm going to use this one right here. And this one I'm going to focus more in the right into the socket. Take this flat shader brush. So the first brush is Delium, and this one is a 776. I use that for the blending. And then this one is BH Cosmetics. I'm going to apply. I want a brown on the bottom, so I think I'll do this one first. It's like a nice warm brown. And then I'm just going to deepen up the outer corners and just go halfway. And for that, I'm going to use a deeper brown. So I think this one here. So I just went like halfway. That color right there, which is also in the middle. Such a beautiful shade, and I'm going back in with my Delium brush, and I'm gonna take that same brown that I used on the bottom, and it's going to be this one right here, just a deeper brown. And I've just tapped it off a little bit and just focus on the outer corner. I'm using tapping motions. I'm just using circular motions to blend it out. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And that's the eyeshadow done. I'm going to go in with my Avon eyeliner, and this one is perfect for smudging and smoking out your eyeliner. This is Blackest Black. I'm using a smudger brush just to smudge this out. Go back in again and darken it. So the more you layer on, the more pigmented and darker the eyeliner will be. And I want to focus majority of it just on the outer corner. So what I've done is I'm using the smudger brush, and I'm using upwards motions just to smudge the eyeliner out and smoke it out into the outer corners of my eyelid. And I'm going to do the same thing to this eye. Now I'm just going to apply eyeliner on the bottom, and we're going to apply all the way. I'm going to take this blending brush, and whatever's left on it, I'm just going to run it under the eye. This is so far what the eyes are looking like. What I wanted to do was apply a little bit of liquid eyeliner, just a very thin line on top. So I love how the eyes have turned out. A soft, smoky eye look, so definitely wearable during the day. I'm super happy with it. Moving on to mascara. This is the Lash Sense mascara by Senegence. This product is amazing. It totally reminds me of Benefit's Their Real mascara. Let's move on to concealer. Same concealer, NYX concealer, Can't Stop Won't Stop, and that's beige. So I'm just gonna basically go in and just sort of clean up under the eyes. I haven't applied concealer yet, so I've got dark circles, and we are going to cover them up. I have some breakouts as well. I also like to highlight with this using my Real Techniques. This is the crease brush, but I like to use it for concealer, and I like to buff it out. Alright, we are going to powder a little bit. Same powder, NYX powder, and this is in medium. NARS palette, it's the highlighting palette, high voltage, and I want to take this bronzer color right here. It's got a little bit of shimmer in it, but I don't mind that, so just a little bit of that. An old blush, this is MAC. This collection was part of, I think, the Star Wars collection, so this was limited edition, and this is what it looks like. Look at how beautiful that is. It's marble. Strange New Worlds, Trip the Light Fantastic Powder. That's what that is. But I'm going to use it as blush, so. I'm just looking at the eyes, and I want to add a warm color just to brighten it up a little bit. I'm going in with this favorite palette of mine. Oops. Well, wrong way. Too Faced Gingerbread palette. It's a really pretty color in here. It's called Gingerbread. So it's this one right here. And I'm just applying that like right where the socket is and blending it out so it looks like it's got a gradient effect to it. I'm going to take a clean brush and I think I'll apply this one right here. It's a light shade and it would be perfect for just highlighting. It's called Powdered Sugar. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with Spiked Eggnog. And apply a little bit at the corner of the eye. A little bit of highlighter from Maybelline. This is the Master Chrome in Molten Gold. I'm going to use Real Techniques brush. A little bit on top of the nose. And Cupid's bow. I have Milani lip liner in 09 Spice, and that's the color there. And this is not sharpened, so I hope this works. Lipstick, I have the Becca Lip Loves. This one is a nice mocha color, and this is called Mocha. And then I also have Fenty Beauty. This one is called Mademoiselle Stilos and Single, and this is what that one looks like. I think I might go with this one. Line the lips with Spice lip liner. Taking a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Bond Girl lip liner and just gonna deepen up down here. even up there and just here. And that is the completed makeup look. My fall autumn inspired makeup look. Bronzy makeup look for brown eyes. So what do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Let me know in the comment section down below on what you thought. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so then you get notified of every video I upload. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.